Welcome guys in this video. This is my first learning video. In this video we will learn the logic building in basic programs. I get you some example of solving the problem and make logics in programs with some basic programming knowledge. So, start with that when somebody say you to make the Python program who make the triangle like this. So what you do? Firstly you notice he start from 1 and end with 5 means he is the range function. That use in program. This star is multiplying by 1 each time. It means this appeared 5 times. That's why its range will also be 5 times. So, let's start building the program. Here you can see that there is a range function which will run 5 times. If you try to print the stars on terminal, he look like that. You see he print 5 times successfully. The first part is completed. Python have feature you print the same string many item in single line by multiply the star with the int value. You see when I add multiply 1 with string he same. And when I add 2 multiply with string he print any star 2 time in single line. He is the logic of the Python. So, we have this feature that allows us to repeat a string multiple times. Now, if we add a variable inside it that increases by 1 each time the logic of the loop and the multiply making like this. You see, we have successfully achieved this triangle logic in the terminal. The next part is the problem solving. Means we solve the problem's bugs and things that are not working as expected. You see the program who reverse the string. But he not reverse any string and return same string. We need to know how program working C when send the string to the function. Then first he get the string and make a variable named as ans. He is the short form of answer. There is an loop function. It runs as many times as the length of the string. This string has length of 10, so he run 10 time. But he get the same string means the word adding logic is not correct, so we need to correct that. If we changed and in the ans variable add ans first because we need to add ans in char to add in right side order. And we need to solve another problem. He is last problem of the video. We have an string and we need to make an program who find the very longest work in string by an already made program. You noticed the space who appeared after every word, so we need to split the string to make it in string. So you see the same program, but we add changes inside this like make an list from string and string answer variable to store the highest length word. He read any word from list and count the word's length and other the same process like old program, but he stored the current highest length word in the ans length variable side by side to the ans variable. When you see the program's output, you see he find the highest length word from the string correctly, so we complete this last program. Goodbye guys. If the video was informative, subscribe the channel and like the video, and if you want more videos like that, comment me.